Hey guys, how's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I have some unboxings for you. I'm just going to work my way down. I get one, well not even one whole day, I get like 4 hours where I am child free during the week. And today is the day, so I'm going to try and film. I've also got a lot of other things to do. My lips are so chapped, and I've done a lip scrub and then I put gloss on them and now they look ginormous, but they don't look chapped, so we're just gonna go with it. I kind of like it, but they were so chapped, so I literally did a lip scrub and like scrubbed the absolute crap out of them, and I've made them a bit angry. We're just gonna pretend it's not happening, just ignore it, it's fine. So today, the first box we have is a Birchbox. All these boxes, not that you're watching them all in one video, but all these boxes are paid for by me. Ooh, it's a bag. So Birchbox, if you don't know, is a monthly beauty subscription box, bag, drawer, whatever they decide to do. I don't always have it. I had it a long time ago and then I sacked it off, and then I found a really good deal where I could get it for like half price, so it ended up being like £4 or £5 or £4 a month, something like that, and I was like, I can't say no to that. But I think I'm coming to the end of that, so I might cancel it. I'm still not sure. We'll see how this one is. But I think it's normally £12.95 including delivery, and the sample's always tiny compared to what you get in like the likes of the Vegan Kind Glossy Box. Look fantastic. It's always less in size and quality and volume, so I'm not really sure. But if you don't mind little samples and you've got some money to burn, get it. If I have a discount code, I'll put one down below, but if I have got one, it's not an affiliate link, it's just everybody that signs up to Birchbox gets like a refer me code, so that's all it is. So let me just do this little bag up because it is so cute. I'm obsessed with the bag. That is gorgeous. Look at that. That is so cute. So it's got like a neon orange zip. So yeah, it's got like the neon orange, which is just like one of my all-time favourite colours, and then the purple. And it says, yeah, it was on the back, it's talking about the referral. So when you refer a friend, they'll get 30% off their subscription, and then whoever does it, whether it's me or you, whoever, they get £10 to spend off in the Birchbox shop, which sounds amazing, but they get the £10 off, but they can only do one lot of £10 at a time, which I think is a bit crap. So you can't buy, like, you couldn't save up to buy the advent calendar with it or anything like that. You have to just do it once at a time, which just, I think, is a bit rubbish. So we want to see your February Birchbox, blah blah blah, tag us. So it says, hello Birchboxers, this February we're inviting you to take a moment to press the pause button. Be still and reconnect. Throughout the month we'll be filling your inboxes with our social media with mindfulness tips, together with guided meditation app Petit Bamboo. Follow us on Instagram to discover more. We hope that your February Birchbox reminds you that a beautiful day always begins with a beautiful mindset. So, let's have a look. First thing I've got is a Super Duper Body Wash Vanilla Pods. Ooh, that sounds nice. Cruelty free, 97% naturally derived. I love the little bottle, it's so cute. Let's give this a smell. Oh my god, that smells amazing. Oh, that gives me like... Oh, that smells like something from when I was a teenager. Something from the Body Shop, possibly. That smell... No, it's not. That's Impulse. That smells like Vanilla Impulse. Oh my god, that smells amazing. I love that. So this is a full-size one, is £9.99, and this is a creamy deluxe shea butter body wash. No better time or place to indulge into me time than the shower. This creamy vanilla scented body wash is packed full of soft shea nuts and moisturising Monoi de Tahiti. It'll leave skin feeling silky smooth and smelling divine. 97% natural. Love that. Good start. Next, I've got... Oh, self-relaxing eye mask. Fuck yeah. This is like a space mask, but space masks are mega expensive. See how expensive this is. Shitting fuck. That can't be right. Sensory Retreats Divine Eye Mask. £21? That's got to be like for a box. I'll find out how many it is in a box for £21 and put it on the screen, because if that's £21 for one, that's more expensive than space masks. When you're feeling run down and stressed from a jam-packed routine, it can be hard to switch off. Luckily, just 25 minutes is all it takes to magically melt away the tension and eye strain with this self-heating eye mask. You basically put them on, or you can wear it overnight as well as a blackout mask or meditating, but you put them on and then they just heat up and they warm your eyes, and they're just, oh my god, well, that's the space mask. I've never used this. But I'm very excited to use that. I love, 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 love these, and the fact that it's lavender makes me super happy. Next, what is this? Natural green jade polished. This trendy jade gouache is an ancient facial tool that has been used in beauty rituals for centuries. Used over moisturizer, facial oil or cream, that it renews the skin by increasing blood flow of lymphatic blah blah blah. What? I assume that's what this is. There's no roller in there. When it said jade, I assumed it was going to be like a jade roller. This is the little bag. What? It is jade, so it's just a jade. I'm so confused. Is that like then you just, oh, it does feel nice, but it's not like relaxing, it's hard, and the roller's like really nice. I'm not sure how I feel about that. Let me know how you're supposed to use that. Is it just like, you just sit it on your face, or is it to like, I assume because it says drain that you need to like smush your face with it. Weird. Don't hate it, but don't know how to use it. Next I've got, this is full size, £12, which is teeny tiny. MC or MCO Beauty Flamingo Lip and Cheek Tint. Double duty, blurs the lines between dewy gloss and lip and cheek stain, making it the perfect product to cheat fresh, polished, no makeup. Use your fingertips to pat this flamingo pink shade onto your cheeks and lips. How flamingo pink are we talking? Because I'm not sure how I feel about that. Flamingo pink. It's not pinks. I think when anything like this, I know everyone's like, oh, nudes, but everybody can wear a nude really. Whereas pinks, you're either a pink girl, get off me, pink person, or you're not a pink person. And I'm not really a pink person, especially not when it comes to lipstick. I'm more like the nudes and the mauves and the dark blacks and the cherries and stuff. But pinks, oh wow, get off, fuck's sake, get off me, you twat. Let's have a look. It's quite pink. Ugh. Doesn't smell of anything. You can literally shear it out to nothing for your cheeks. I think you'd have to put quite a lot on, because I've just rubbed that in my hand and like you can see that's barely made a difference. So I'm not sure what that's going to do on your lips. If I didn't have so much crap on my lips now, I would test it out. And then last up is a Huygens or Huygens, I don't know how to say this. Full size is £22. Oh, this is rose, I don't want this. I'll give this to someone else. Infused with rosewood, essential oil, glycerin and witch hazel, this gentle organic cleanser washes away all traces of impurities while working hard to improve your skin regeneration. Sounds lovely. 99% natural, which is really nice. It's cruelty free, which is lovely. It's just because it's a rose product that I'm not gonna, I can't undo the lid, but it's open. And there is barely anything in that, like it's like down to here. Oh, she's very rosy. Oh no. But it sounds amazing. I'll have a look and see if they do any other scents, but that sounds incredible. I'm just not up for the smell, so I thought that was quite a good box. I don't hate it. Not box bag. I don't hate it by any stretch of the imagination. Probably my favourite one in a while. If anyone can let me know what to do with that jade thing, or like leave me a link to a YouTube video of what to do with it, that would be amazeballs. But yeah, thanks for watching and I will see you soon.